Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I don't normally do automotive stuff, and the reason why I'm doing this video is because when I was researching the particular problem related to what I have going on with my truck, there was like a million different answers. Today I'm going to show you how to use a piece of pipe kind of as a stethoscope to diagnose the whine on a Ford F150 pickup truck. Then I'm going to replace the part that I have diagnosed to be the problem. This is a 2008 Ford F150 Super Crew with a 4.6.
It has developed a loud whine, and I believe that it is the belt tensioner.
I'm going to use a piece of pipe as a stethoscope. Here's what it sounds like using the pipe as a stethoscope, so I believe this is the one that I need to replace. There's just three 10mm bolts that need to come out. And I've seen people where they remove the radiator hose and this, that, and the other, and I honestly don't believe I'll have to. I'm just going to take and spray some penetrating fluid on the bolts. And let that sit in for a minute while the engine's warm. I'm going to use a 1/2-inch drive ratchet and a cheater pipe to relieve the tension off the belt so I can slide the belt on. I'm going to use a 10mm socket to clear the plug on top of the block. These are some fairly long bolts. So here's our tensioner. Like I said, it does sound like it's kind of wore out. So here's the original Ford part. And I say this is the original Ford part because it has made in Canada in it. And I know that my truck came from Canada, just judging from the stickers on it, as well as the Canadian money that we found when I bought this truck. You can hear the bearings in the pulley grinding. And this is my replacement part. I got this off Amazon. It was like $25, I think. And it does have the metal pulley on it. So we'll put this in and see if this gets rid of that noise. All right, so I got my new belt tensioner on there, and it is important to remember when you go to put these on that you have the belt behind the pulley. If not, you'll have to take the whole thing back off and put the belt behind the pulley. So little tip there. Now all I got left to do is tighten it up. I got the belt tensioner bolts all tightened up, and I've got the belt back on all the pulleys, and I'm going to take and just kind of bump it over a couple of times to get everything seated before I crank it up. After letting the belt tensioner run for a few minutes, turning the AC on, this, that, and the other, that squealing noise went away, and it appears to be working right, and I don't hear any more of that whine that I had before. So I'm going to consider this fixed. So there you have fixing the whine on a Ford F-150 pickup, and I believe this fix also works on the 5.4, and it generally is the belt tensioner pulley that goes out because, like I said, they do hold tension on them. So thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all next time.